fairly lit corridor. Definitely has lights out here. And then under the door there is kind of a gap. I have seen bigger, but that is actually sizable. We come in. Here is our front door. It says the maximum room rate for a city view is 340. Bayview 360, suite 699. Checkout is noon. We back up. We have a mirror right there. We will come to our left and we have a sliding door to enter the bathroom. Once you have all the lights on, it is pretty well lit here. The floor is kind of a tile. We have our toilet right here, little artwork, and then we do have a hair dryer for the folks who use that. You're gonna have to step up to get into the tiled shower. We do have some amenities right here. Great to have those. And then our shower head looks like that. All with the glass sliding door. We continue to turn. We have our sink with some more hand soap, lotion, a light over the mirror. And then this is actually where our closet's going to be in the bathroom. Iron, place for your bag, extra bedding up there. Then we're gonna turn out and we'll face the living corridors. It's gonna be a double bed room. Only one place, like a side table right there. Random chair here. I don't know if they're all like this. These are twin beds, quite small. The pillows, I don't know, it's like that. Can I give you a visual cue on whatever that means? We press it down and then it comes up, a decent amount of times. We'll do it one more time. Press all the way in. Yeah, that's what the pillows are like. We come here, we have the television. And then this should be a mini fridge and a safe as well. Mini fridge. I was sitting down earlier, so I did not push this back under, but this is our desk. And if you're feeling hungry, we got Ruth Chris, Claim Jumper, and a Hazelwood Deli. And then this hotel actually has a balcony. If we can get it open for security. What am I doing wrong? Okay, what do we need to do here? For your safety, we need to do that on the door. And we got 2 chairs right here. We can see, I see like that right there. Everyone else's are right there, but pretty nice view. I like cities. I like looking at the buildings, looking at the lights. The runway for the airport should be going down on that path. So you might be able to see planes. That's a super blue building over there. So yeah, and there's a parking lot. But yeah, if someone else is sitting, you'll be able to see them. But this is the room, folks.